Come visit a place where nature is responsible for two diverse world-class golf courses. Tee off at a breathtaking Parklands course, Royal Wellington Golf Club, the home of the 2017 Asia Pacific Amateur Championship and one of two New Zealand courses given the Royal title. Not far away, play a renowned links course that has tested some of the world's best. Close by, you'll find impressive dining experiences with locally sourced produce and acclaimed wine and craft beer. In a vibrant city full of entertainment, art and culture. New Zealand, where nature invites you for a golfing experience unlike anywhere else in the world.